has
decide
not.
to support him, sir? Why did you decide to support him?
So already I explained.
Unconditionally, sir.
Yes, we are still with DMK headed alliance, progressive, secular alliance. But we have independence, liberty to decide based on this political crisis. So this is our stand. First of all, VCK will not be an obstacle to form the government by Sri Joseph Vijay. Second thing, we don't allow to implement President rule in Tamil Nadu. For both reasons, we have decided to extend our support.
Outside
Outside support.
So what is your response to DTV?